Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make Windows 11 more like Mac OS. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To make Windows 11 look more like Mac OS, follow these detailed steps. So firstly, go to Settings, Personalization, Taskbar, and the Taskbar Behaviors drop down. Ensure automatically hide the taskbar is enabled. Next, choose a Mac OS like wallpaper. You can find one using the link provided in the video description below. Then download Rainmeter from the third link in the description. Install it. By selecting your language and clicking OK, add to installation. Click Finish. Right-click on the Welcome widget, go to Variants, and choose the option with a dot to remove it. Repeat this process for the clock and any other default widgets. Now, right-click on the desktop, go to View, and choose Hide Desktop Icons. Go back to the downloaded Rainmeter file in the Downloads folder. Right-click the file, then choose Extract All, then click Extract. Once extracted, open the folder, choose the desired folders, and copy them. Now, open another Explorer window, navigate to Documents, find the Rainmeter folder, access the Skins folder, and paste the copied files there. Minimize the folder, click on Show Hidden Icons and the taskbar, and launch Rainmeter. If the skins don't appear, click Refresh All. Now, in the Rainmeter, choose the Mac OS style taskbar by clicking Load. Then navigate to the menu, unload the Mac OS style dock. By following these steps, you'll transform your Windows 11 interface to look and feel more like Mac OS. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.